পূজা বৰুৱা from পূজা by জয়শ্ৰী। এই লাইভটো মই হিন্দী আৰু ইংলিছত কৰিম, অসমীয়াত নকৰি, যিহেতু আমাক চাই থকা সকলো মানুহে অসমীয়া বুজি নাপায়। অসমৰ ৰাইজ আগতীয়াকৈ জনাই থৈছো, দায়িত্ব যেন নধৰে। Namaskar, namaskar, hello everyone. My name is Pooja from Pooja by Jayashree, coming live today with a whole lot of news talk, and you are requested to kindly join this live as soon as possible. Geet ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Meghnaka, thank you for joining. So आज ढेर सारे साड़ीज लाई हूँ। Hi Amruta, thank you my dear, thank you for joining. कॉटन्स है, कॉटन के साड़ीज है हमारे पास। अल्पना मैम नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। मैं नॉर्मल ड्रिल कर देती हूँ। हेलो माय डियर। नंबर पिन हो चुका है, आपकी स्क्रीन पर है 7595995055। मैं ब्रॉडकास्ट में शेयर कर रही हूँ। थैंक यू मम्मी फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। ब्रॉडकास्ट ग्रुप में शेयर कर रही हूँ। quickly kindly requesting all of you to join. आज कॉटन से शुरू करेंगे। भयंकर गर्मी है यहाँ पर। रेणु दी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। देखिए आज भी मैं आने वाली थी दिन में, लेकिन बिकॉज यू टोल्ड मी कि दिन में नहीं आना, पूजा तू रात को लाइव करना। देवजानी दी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो तू रात को लाइव करके मैं आई हूँ शाम मतलब रात को। तो ज्यादा समय बर्बाद ना करते हुए आप लोग को मैं कॉटन साड़ी से शुरू करूंगी। मैंने पहना हुआ है एक प्योर कॉटन साड़ी नागा वीव में। नागा वीव है ये, नागालैंड का वीव है ये। दिस इज अ साड़ी इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम दी नागा शॉल। दे आर नागा वीवर्स ऑल्सो आर extremely talented, skillful. Thank you देवजानी दी, थैंक यू सो मच। ভালো লাগছে তো? আচ্ছা, টাইম ওয়েস্টটা ঠিক হলো। দেরি করে আসছি না, একটা রিজন হয়ে গেল কি আই ওয়াজ ড্রেসিং আপ, দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াই আই গট লেট। ওকে, সো স্টার্টিং উইথ দ্য নাগা কটনস, these are the colors. I will show you the colors. This is a very nice brown, coffee brown. Thank you Dee. This is a very nice coffee color, number 1. Number 2, the good old everyone's favorite, a black, number 2. Ruby ma'am namaskar, thank you so much for joining. Bornali di, hi, thank you for joining. Number 2 black. Colors dekhiye dicchi, first I'll show the colors. Number 3 this is a purple, dark magenta, naga cotton, pure cotton में है। Number 3 है ना। So आज मालकिन बैठी हुई है इधर। I'll quickly give a glimpse. I don't know. Here she is.
Hi everyone. How you all doing?
So she cannot do the live these days because of health reasons, but yes, she keeps helping me every now and then. So this is a dark magenta. I think I have 3 के दो pieces. Dark magenta 2 pieces है. This is number 3 and number 4 in this lovely emerald green. Number 4. Hello ma'am. Hello auntie. Amrita says hello auntie.
Hi.
Barnali Di says hello auntie. Swapna ma'am says hello ma'am.
Hello.
Okay, so this is color number 4. Color number 4. This is an emerald green. Color number 3 is a dark magenta. 2 pieces hai, 2 pieces I have. Color number 2 is black. Hi Vandana ma'am, namaskaram. Thank you so much for joining. And color number 1 is this beautiful coffee brown. तो बताइए कौन सा वाला दिखाऊं? 1, 2, 3, 4 में से कौन सा वाला दिखाऊं? उसके बाद हम लोग मूव करेंगे दूसरे कॉटन्स में. So anybody who's interested in the Naga cotton sarees, do let me know, and I will show the cotton sarees to you. Number 4. Mummy, number 4.
Thank you.
Black, I'll show black also. Number 3 was black, right? 2. 7. Okay. This is, I'll show black also. Number 4 I'm showing. This is a very very beautiful green color. Emerald green color का है. This is the green, a beautiful green. पल्लू में hot pink, yellow, white में है. Look at this pair set. Very very nice one this is. And पूरे body में ऐसा है. Pallu is, border is like this. Yes, I am showing silks also. A lot of sarees today. I don't know, in the interest of time, maybe I will just show some of them. Geeta ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. Namaskaram. And I will, if I have time after showing the cottons, I will show the silks as well. But I will definitely show 2 Muga silks, extremely exclusive. Okay, so this is the saree. Show all. Okay, I will show. Okay, so this is the, of course you can watch recorded live also. I am yet to upload yesterday's matinee shows live on YouTube, but I will upload it today. It's just got downloaded from Instagram and I will upload it today on Facebook and on YouTube as well. So this is the saree. This is a very very nice green. This is emerald green. Olive green I had, which is sold. This is emerald green. Okay, and this is a beautiful one, priced at 5,500. 5500. 5500 का है, and it has got blouse piece also. Chandana ma'am, namaskaram. Thank you so much for joining. Alright. This is clearly, undoubtedly my favorite, black. I think Naga sari looks the best in black. Please, this is my view. I am of course biased towards black. मैं black की दीवानी हूँ. सब लोग ही हैं, I think, some way or the other. Black is the most reliable color. It never changes. This is the, and it makes you look better, I think. Thinner at least. मेरे केस में तो बहुत ही important है. This is the pallu, and this is the border. Woven border है इसमें. These are the spears all over the body. है Nagaland. So this is your, है Bonali di Nagaland बोले. This is your Naga sari 5500, pure cotton, extremely comfortable to wear. Coffee brown. Anuradha ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. This one only, selling other pieces for 6700. See, I am not even saying anything. I don't even, such में a lot of people take our screenshots, मेरा live का screenshot. Good for me, I am becoming famous in the shops also. So they go to shops with our screenshots and search कि ये वाला साड़ी है क्या, वो वाला साड़ी है क्या, ये कहाँ मिलेगा, वो कहाँ मिलेगा, फ्रॉम आवर ऑनलाइन, और दे अप्रोच अदर सेलर्स ऑल्सो कि ये वाली साड़ी चाहिए, हाउ मच आर यू प्राइसिंग इट एट, सो लाइक दैट। एंड फिर हमारे पास आके, मेरे को मैसेज करते हैं, आई आस्क्ड अनदर सेलर यू नो, एंड दे प्राइस द मुगा साड़ी एट 1 lakh rupees, योर्स योर प्राइस इज 70,000 rupees, एंड 70,000 एंड 1 lakh में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है ना, सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज। Anyway, that's part and parcel of life and of course of the business. This is the border, this is your pallu, and the entire body has this piers in, and this is in not in wine color, this is in a very nice coffee brown color, priced at 5500, and I have 2 pieces of this, 2 पीस है हमारे पास इसके। हाय ईशिता दी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। सो आई डोंट हैव टाइम टू डू द मार्केट सर्वे, बाकी सब सेलर्स कौन से प्राइस में बेच रहे हैं ये सब करने के लिए टाइम ही नहीं है। आज भी स्वालकुची में थी, शाम को लेट आई, 7 बजे आई, 7 o'clock I reached home so that way this is the pallu, parrot green, white and pink thread में, this is your border, woven border है black selvage के साथ, and these are your motifs in the body। 5500 में आपको इतना सुंदर, इतना यूनिक साड़ी मिल रहा है। Yes, I know right, I don't even have the time। मैं आज I was telling Jumi and Mummy both कि I do not have time to have, I had lunch at what time, 4:30। This is the, so there is no question of me doing visiting others pages and all of other pages and finding out क्या कौन सा सेल हो रहा है, कौन से प्राइस में सेल हो रहा है। I really don't have time। This is the sari, I have 2 pieces of this, so 2 people will get this color। It's a very very lovely color, जैसा मेरे स्क्रीन पे एटलीस्ट दिख रहा है। I do not do the live with Shweta ma'am, namaskar, thank you for joining। Amrita ma'am, how are you doing? Thank you so much for joining। This is a very lovely color, very unique। This is a purple magenta, dark magenta shade। Yes, health I maintain। After some days I just switch off my phone, switch off, like literally। This is the very beautiful purple muga by Tasar are being sold at 80K in Kolkata। Very wrong description, I was stunned with the misinformation। Is it 80K? 80K is like I also have a sari today for 80K। So this is the very very beautiful Naga cotton for 5500 each। Okay, I have 3 exclusive Kaziranga cottons today on discounted price। This is a lemon yellow, cream color, makhan color, amul butter color, amul salted butter color। This is white, they have Ganga Yamuna border, and this is a lovely pink। Yeah, I know, right? Yes, Muga silks are sold। This sari is sold, I don't know, if they have to sell, they'll sell it for 1.2 lakhs I think। This is there, these we sell at 4,800। Today it's on discount, it's for a flat 3,800। 1,000 rupees cotton साड़ी में डिस्काउंट, अपना प्रॉफिट ही नहीं होता 1,000 rupees। Zainab ma'am, hi, thank you so much for joining। Hi Konika, thank you so much for joining। So नागा कॉटन्स मैंने दिखा दिए आपको, 5,500 में है each of them। are for 5-5. Oh, can be a say. George is in a high vaccination officer. These Kaziranga cottons are for 3800. They do not have a blouse with them. And so these are the Kaziranga cotton. In case anybody needs Kaziranga cotton for me to show, I can show. These are for 3800. Okay, now I have beautiful cotton sarees in all new colors today. Do let me know if anyone wants to see. I will show them to you. किसी को अगर देखना है, I have about 18 of them or 16 of them, I think 16 है? 16 of them. So pure cotton by cotton, completely hand woven, made in Assam. Tell us if you want me to show. I will start. Yes? Okay. This rim of the sofa. Number 1 in this beautiful peach color. These are very, very comfortable. This is number 1. In fact, I am extremely sorry. These are for 5800. Naga cottons are for 5800. मम्मी मेरे को उस तरफ से पूरा ऐसे करके बैठी है. These are for 5800, not 5500. They are for 5800. 5800. If you want me to do the fall and pico, they will be charged at 5900. Free shipping है all over Bharat. I am extremely sorry for the goof up. I am very, very sorry. They are for 5800 along with fall and pico. They will be priced at 5900. I am really sorry. Okay. Next is this beautiful light peach color. Pooja Di, hi. Thank you so much for joining. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. Sorry. मम्मी उधर बैठी थी. एकदम घूम के इधर आ गई मेरे को बात करने, मतलब to tell me. This is the second color, light peach. This is Reena ma'am. Hi, thank you so much for joining. इसमें ये काजीरंगा वीव है, देख लीजिए. ये भी काजीरंगा वीव है. Of course, they are from different looms. Number 3 is this cream color with multicolor weaving. Number 3. Number 4 is this lovely grey silver color. Not even silver, it's whitish grey. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. फिर से आ गया ये. Number 8. पहले 10 दिखा देती हूँ, उसके बाद 6 दिखाऊंगी. Number 9. Number 10. So tell me, which ones would you like to see? 10, 9, 8. Yes, these are Assam cotton sarees, correct.
1, 8, 9. 1, 5, 6, 8, 9. Double.
1, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. 9 में दिखा देती हूँ पहले, क्योंकि ऊपर ऊपर रखा है, डिसेंडिंग में दिखा रही हूँ. This is number 9. A very, very beautiful pink. Number 9. This is the border. This is the pallu. Thank you, Pooja Di. This is the pallu. Thank you, Lakshmi Akka. Thank you so much. Arey, I didn't see you coming. Namaskaram, namaskaram. Sorry, Lakshmi Akka. Romba sorry. I am really sorry. I didn't see you coming. Matlab joining the live. This is the pallu in beige and yellow and white and पूरे body में तोरा यानी कि star बूटाज हैं ऐसे. This is the sari. Okay?
Blouse.
Showing Malkin. This is the blouse piece. Mummy is telling me blouse piece show करो. एम्प्लॉय होने का यही वो होता है, मालकिन का बात सुनते सुनते. So this is for 4,400 rupees, 4400, and in case you want me to do the fall and pico for you, that will be charged at 100 rupees extra, so it will become 4500 free. So this is the कोई shipping charges नहीं. These sarees I have seen randomly सर्फ करते करते आ गया लाइव. नमस्कारम टू मम्मी. लक्ष्मी अक्का इज टेलिंग नमस्कारम टू मम्मी.
Namaskaram, Lakshmi.
ओके, सो दीज आर सोल्ड रैंडम. मैं लाइव देखते देखते पता चल मतलब दिखाई दिया मुझे. दीज आर सोल्ड एट 6,000 rupees, 6,000 plus shipping. So that is what it is. This is for 4400 free shipping. Only thing is we have to stitch, then it is 100 rupees extra fall and pico, and the tassels will be like this. Okay, so this is for 4400. 8. Next is number 8. This is number 8. And rhyming करूं तो number 8 my absolute favorite. 6,600, huh? Yeah, that only, that live only I saw. मतलब that video only I saw. I forgot on Instagram or Facebook, and that too I was not checking. I don't even know of the person. I was not checking, Lakshmi Akka, and I suddenly see that it's sold for 6,000 something. Yes. Okay, so this is the sari. This has got Dimasa motifs all over. Jashundi ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Dimasa motifs all over. Yes, I am talking about the same thing. And this is the border. And these are the motifs, ornamented burfi diamond shaped motifs. This is how the sari will look when you drape it. It will look extremely stunning. Veena ma'am, thank you so much for joining. कैसे हो आप? How are you? So this is how the sari will look when you drape it. Okay. So this is how Rashmi Akka, after a very long time. How are you? That is for 4400. Fall pico अगर हम करेंगे तो it will be charged at 4500.
6.
नहीं. How to share my live? There will be this button, arrow button. Vandana Akka, there will be this arrow button. Physiotherapy is going on. I thought of bunking today, but I thought of going today, but I had to bunk because I had to go to Soykuchi again. So ये लगातार I think till Puja will keep doing rounds because saris are getting made एकदम in lightning speed. They are getting made. So now I swear by your cotton, they are elegant and comfortable. Thank you, Akka. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Thank you so much. I am doing good too. Rajni Akka, I am doing good too. Are you still outside India or have you returned to Bharat? This is the pallu. Look at the splash of colors. Blue के 2-3 शेड हैं, ग्रीन है, पैरेट ग्रीन है, येलो है, फिरोजी ब्लू भी है, पीकॉक ब्लू भी है, रॉयल ब्लू भी है. सो इट्स येलो है, ग्रीन है, रेड है. दिस इज द बॉर्डर एंड पूरे बॉडी में फ्लावर मोटिव्स है. द एंटायर बॉडी हैज फ्लावर मोटिव्स एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल साड़ी. इट इज फॉर 4400. फॉल पिको करने पर इट विल बिकम 4500. I'll show 10 before I forget. 10 is a very beautiful one actually. It's a multicolor on black. Black though I have to show. So this is how number 10 looks. Dimasa motif का 2 lines है and mishing motifs हैं. Mishing मतलब MISHING. Mishing motifs हैं. This is the border and these are the flower motifs in the body. Black color का है. This is your blouse piece. Okay, this is your blouse piece and this is how the sari will look when you trim it. So screenshot में हमेशा 1 मिनट रुकती हूँ so that 2 seconds 3 seconds I wait so that my screenshots will come nice. Otherwise when I ask people to take my picture तो यहाँ पे घर पे तो it's a disaster. So this is the sari 4400. Free shipping all over Bharat. In case you want me to do the fall and pico, it will be 4500. Free shipping all over Bharat remains. Thank you, Geeta ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, Lakshmi Akka has a lot of our cottons. From Naga cotton to these cottons. She has Moirangfis also. She has our silks also. So yes, when it comes from her, I know she's not saying it because she loves me. I will... I really believe that it's genuine feedback. Of course she loves me, but the feedback is not related to her relationship with me. This is the beautiful light क्या बोलते हैं, क्या कलर है ये? Peach color ही है, peach milk color. Thank you Ishita Di for the color name. This is your blouse piece. This is your border. This is the Torah motifs, star motifs all over. And this is how it looks. No, this is not 3. This is 1, 2, 3,
5.
4.
No.
है ना?
6.
5. No, this is 5. This is the number 5. Okay, this is the color. This is a very very nice one. I got my first sari from you 2 years ago and I don't know how many more sets. I know, right?
Vanilla color.
I am so blessed that I do not have a lot of people tell me then घोड़ा घास से दोस्ती करेगा तो खाएगा क्या? But I would like to concentrate on the fact that घोड़ा घास से दोस्ती कर रहा है. खाएगा क्या वो बात की बात है ना? ओहो, okay. You can watch the recorded live, Akka. I will send the YouTube link. This is a very 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 nice color. It's a lilac. You can see. This is the border. ये एकदम एरी सिल्क साड़ी जैसा है, उसका फिनिश भी वैसा ही है. That's your blouse piece. And these are extremely soft sarees. These are very very beautiful sarees. And at least as a wearer also I am telling you, these are very beautiful sarees. So this is how it looks. They are for 4400. In case I have to do the fall and pico, they'll be priced at 4500. Tassels are already done. Borders are already put. The tassels. Okay. Number 4. 3 अभी दिखाऊंगी मैं. 3 I am not sure. Lotus petal pink. Which? That is mauve. The last one that I showed is mauve, I think. No, kya? Okay. So this is the next one. Number 4. This is your blouse piece. Madhuri ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. This is your blouse piece. This is your pallu. Off-white and royal blue का काम है. This off-white also looks like eri yarn से बना हुआ. It gives that look.
Thank you.
Okay, and this is your sari when you drape it. This is how it looks. Very elegant color. Absolutely whitish silver. 4400. The number to ping us is 7595959055. Ashto Malkin is sitting here. Okay. Border is very different. Yeah, border is very, very different. Now, number 3, I don't know who had asked. Number 3. This is your blouse piece. This is your sari. A very, very nice color. Royal blue and hot pink में border है. And this with the Bisoni motifs. Vandana ma'am, you had asked. This is the pallu, a very stunningly gorgeous pallu with bright yellow, hot pink and royal blue. Because it's a nude base, that is why we have used all bright colors in the sari for the motifs. The entire sari has these motifs: royal blue, hot pink and yellow. This is how the sari looks. Okay, take a screenshot, send it to us on 7595959055. Kaziranga, somebody asked for Renudi. Renudi asked for Kaziranga weave ye wala mein. This is the blouse piece in red, green, black. And this is your Kaziranga sari. What happened? Let the boss sit here. How long will you stand? Okay, so this is a peach color. This is your sari. A very nice pallu. Equally brilliantly woven border. And these in black, green and red are the one-horned rhinos all over the sari. One-horned rhinos are our pride, our identity. Assam के लोगों का main identity है one-horned rhinos जो काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क में पाए जाते हैं. Come winters and काजीरंगा में भीड़ होगी. Please plan a trip to काजीरंगा. It's worth seeing. Please plan a trip to अरुणाचल प्रदेश. आप अरुणाचल प्रदेश के पहाड़ों में जाएंगे ना, आपको कोई भी और माउंटेन अलास्का कुछ भी याद नहीं आएगा. मतलब I don't even know more. I have not seen, of course I have not seen those mountains as well, but Arunachal Pradesh is uncommercialized, so it's very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Thanks to the Border Roads Organization and the Indian Army that they have made Arunachal Pradesh so accessible. So you should plan a trip to Northeast, and when you come to the Northeast, and you will have to touch Guwahati and touch base Guwahati and go. So Guwahati आने से तो मुझसे मिलना ही होगा. ये भी मैं एकदम वार्निंग जारी कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग को मुझसे मिलने बगैर आप लोग नहीं जा सकते. Hi Lakshmi ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Shiny ma'am, hello, thank you so much for joining. This is the Kaziranga weave in pure cotton 4400. And time for this gorgeous number 1. This is again, tell me the name of this color. This is a very unique weave. Look at this. This is a white sari It's got a peach color border. Come quickly. रेणुदी प्लान तो बनाइए आप. Yes, you should. So this is a very unusual साड़ी, इसीलिए मैंने नंबर 1 में रखा था. White in this contrast color का पल्लू in peach color. इसका ब्लाउज पीस कॉन्ट्रास्ट में है in peach with the border. This is very very beautiful, है ना? पल्लवी मैम नमस्कार, thank you for joining. This is the very 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 gorgeous. This is how the saree looks. Very very beautiful saree. पूरे बॉडी में रेड एंड बेज कलर के ऐसे मोटिव्स है. And this is priced at 4400. In case you want to do the fall and pico, you all know I've been telling it with every sari. Pick it up. So these will be priced at 4500 in case I have to do the fall and pico for you. Next lot of 6 sarees I have. Number 1 is this white, blue and cream. Number 2 is this beautiful purple multicolor. Number 3, Durga Puja sari, white and red. Number 4, my favorite, my mother's favorite. My mother is nodding her head like this. Looking at this sari. So it's her favorite color. A very, very, very nice blue. Number 4. Number 5, white and beige. Anuradha ma'am, namaskar. Thank you for joining. Number 5. Number 6, again a stunning blue with multicolor weaving. Number 6. So 6 more I have. Do let me know which ones you want to see.
4, 5.
Huh?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Okay. This is 5. This is the blouse piece. 5 is also मतलब white में तो this is the sari. It's a beautiful white. Onam is around the corner too. So yes, this could be your comfortable summers ka Onam sari also in case you're not wearing white and gold this year. So this is the white with beige weaving. This is your border and the flowers all over the body are in beige like this. Okay, this is the sari. Then comes number 4. Blouse piece दिखा दीजिए. This is the blouse piece, patterned gamkharu weaving में. This is your sari. Look at this beauty first. 1 second, 2 seconds to just admire this beauty. I am myself finding it so beautiful. This is the border. Hannah, thank you for the love and likes. I didn't see them. Now I saw. Thank you. I don't know who's giving them, but thank you. ये रहा palla. This is your pallu. Very very beautiful pallu. Blues are extremely beautiful. This is a very beautiful sari. Okay, this is your very very beautiful pallu. Tassels इसके बन गए हैं. This is the body में you have the star bootas in beige and off white. This is a very beautiful. मतलब this shouts cool, एकदम ठंडा cool. It just shouts when you walk around in this sari. Sorry. So yeah, this is the sari 4400. White and red. ब्लाउज पीस, दिस इज द साड़ी. दिस, इसका क्या कहना, व्हाइट एंड रेड इज लाइक ऑलवेज वेलकम विद द ट्रेडिशनल बिसोनी मोटिव्स. इतना इंट्रिकेट वीविंग, इतना फिल्ड वीविंग यूजुअली कॉटन्स में कोई करता ही नहीं है. यू विल सी असम के होलसेलर्स सेलिंग लेस वर्क देन दिस, extremely faint work in this cotton sarees, and range होगा उसका 4,500 and starting. I want to tell your viewers that you sent a beautiful mekhla sadar for my daughter's wedding, a tam wrap. Bride wore a mekhla sadar. Yes, I remember. Thank you, Vandana ma'am. Thank you so much. And I love the post. I keep looking at the post also every now and then. You will not believe. I actually keep looking at the post also. It's such a beautiful, such a cute post. She was not late. And हम लोग लाइव करने आते हैं तो इतना सारा मेकअप करके आता है. मेरे को तो करना ही पड़ेगा, मैं पिंपल के दुकान हूँ. लेकिन हम लोग लाइव भी आते हैं तो इतना सारा मेकअप करते हैं. She was so simple, no makeup at all. Very, very, very sweet looking she was. That is why I keep looking at it. And I am planning for the longest time to make a sari like the mekhla sadar, but हो ही नहीं रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों. Some things are just, you're destined to have a sari and you will have. हाँ सच में रेणुदी, मैं कितना मेकअप करते करते 15 मिनट लेट हो गई. मैं 9:30 बजे लॉग इन करी. Okay, so this is the sari and it has got these beautiful motifs all over the body in red. This is a white with red sari and this is for 4400. This is another sari in case anybody wants to see. I'll show it actually. है ना, 2 साड़ी ही बाकी है.
सीट भी लगती थी.
I'll show silk. नहीं स्वीट क्या है, सच बात है. मैं कितना मेकअप करना पड़ता है. कंसीलर का डब्बा मेकअप फिक्सिंग स्प्रे का डब्बा खरीदना पड़ता है. मतलब क्या बोलूं. दिस इज no, I'm definitely not pretty. Inside I don't know I am a good person or not, but outside I'm definitely not pretty. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत तमिल टैम्ब्रैम का लुक्स मिला है, वो टैम्ब्रैम का लुक्स तो मिल गया, लेकिन उसको रख ही नहीं पाई मैं. बाल इतने लंबे थे मेरे स्कूल तक. मम्मी ने बोला कल से यू विल टेक केयर ऑफ योर ओन हेयर, आई विल नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ योर ओन हेयर. तो मैंने रामलीला मूवी में ना, I have seen that धुनुची लेके, I don't know what you call in, what is that called? धुनुची को क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know. That you show to संब्रानी types. हाँ धुनो बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. ये ऐसा करके मैं स्कूल में ही करती थी. तब तो हेयर ड्रायर के बारे में सुना भी नहीं, देखना तो दूर की बात है, हेयर ड्रायर के बारे में सुना भी नहीं. तो I had such long hair, I had to go to my Bharatanatyam classes. So every morning, हाँ Sambrani, mummy used to wash my hair with all her relatives. My mama, tata and all used to send us shikakai powder, na? Shikakai and Rita and all these things. So I used to get tortured with that every Sunday. And इतने लंबे बाल थे मेरे, तो and she used to put that. फिर रामलीला में लगे, अरे ये तो मेरी मम्मी ने किया है छोटे में. When I was in school, she used to do this every Sunday to me. तो तो वो सब के चलते थोड़ा बहुत रह गया, मगर अब तो कोई होप ही नहीं है. द मोमेंट शी सेड फ्रॉम टुमारो यू विल टेक केयर ऑफ योर ओन हेयर, फ्रॉम टुमारो यू विल टेक केयर ऑफ योर ओन हेयर. नेक्स्ट डे आई वेंट टू दिस पार्लर कॉल्ड व्हाइट रेड कॉम्बिनेशन. आज ही देखा वो व्हाइट रेड कॉटन देखा लू मैं. तो आई कट माई हेयर एकदम इंदिरा गांधी का, इतना छोटा. देन जो है नाइसली शी गेव मी 1/2 an hour ऑफ बीटिंग. उसके बाद मेरे दिमाग ठिकाने आ गया. उसके बाद से मैंने इतना ही होता है. इसके बाद दे स्टार्ट बिहेविंग वेरी वियर्ड माई हेयर. सो यस आई नो भरतनाट्यम. यस आई एम अ ट्रेन्ड भरतनाट्यम डांसर. मतलब अभी तो भूल गई नहीं करते करते, लेकिन पिकअप कर लूंगी, अगर स्टार्ट किया तो पिकअप कर लूंगी। अरंगेत्रम नहीं हुआ मेरा, मगर 1 साल बाकी था ना, मैं बीमार हो गई थी भयंकर, तो छुड़ा दिया मम्मी ने बहुत ही दुख में। सो दिस इज योर बॉर्डर ना, यहाँ नाम तो उठाना। दिस इज द तोरा बूटा। सॉरी आप लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा बोर किया, चाइल्डहुड के स्टोरीज बोलते ही इतना ज्यादा स्वीट मेमोरीज है कि क्या बताऊं। मार खाने पर भी स्वीट मेमोरी बोल रही हूँ, देखिए मैं कितनी अच्छी लड़की हूँ। मम्मी है ना, डर के मारे। These are the Torah motifs, star motifs. This is your pallu. Jaya ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. Swati ma'am, namaste. Sandhya ma'am, namaskar. This is your blouse piece. Sorry, I got lost in sharing my childhood memory and getting back to business. So this is the sari. It's a very, very gorgeous blue, pure cotton. I've shown you the blouse piece as well. This is another Dimasa motifs के साथ वाला. This is another sari. Bachpan is always bachpan. Even if you become bachpan, bachpan always will make you happy. Thank you so much, Sangamitra ma'am. Thank you so much. I am so glad everybody liked the sari. Thank you. Okay, so this is the other color. But for Sangamitra ma'am, I will show the cotton, pure cotton, white and red. Dekhachi, eta. This is a white and red. I just showed. This has got motifs like this. In red. Today daddy has gone for some function. Amruta. Today daddy has gone for some function, so he's a musician, so around these times his functions will start. So that is why Jumi is in charge of taking care of Muga today, so that she does not disturb me in my life, and mummy is sitting here. Okay, so this is the pallu and this is the body. There goes your border. This is your blouse piece. 4400. Okay. She likes both of them. She likes daddy more because daddy keeps brushing, daddy keeps doing everything. Mummy makes her food and all of that. But mummy के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. She is a patient, so it's not good for her, is what the doctor said. So she does not do the other errands for Muga. So obviously she's fond of daddy. Daddy pats her, daddy plays with her. So mummy makes her food and all. She's grateful, but she's not very fond of Muga. Okay, 3 pairs of Mekhela Sador I have. Flat discounted rate. उसमें दे रहे हैं 11,700. Free shipping. It's ready to wear. It's completely stitched. 11,700 में दे रहे हैं. मेखला सदौर कैसा पार्ट के ही है सारे, नहीं 4 पीसेस हैं मेरे पास. Yeah, she's a girl. She will obviously like daddy more. So मेखला सदौर दिखाऊंगी अगर किसी को देखना है. आई एम शोइंग द कलर्स टू यू. Sunila ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is a Kaisa part by Kaisa part Sador, part by part Mekhela and blouse. This is a very lovely, unique color. Look at this color. Number 1. This is also royal blue with silver, neon green and hot pink thread. Silver zari, neon green and hot pink thread. Number 2. This is also a part by Kesa part. Number 3, this is also a royal blue, but with surf blue, with tassar thread and with antique zari. Number 3, royal blue, and this is a very stunning dark, what do you call it? Plum color maybe. Yeah, with roses. This is from our Sumana collection. This is extremely exclusive. Beautiful this is. Okay, number 4. Do tell me which one you want to see first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces I have. 2 in royal blue and 1 in part by part in a lovely maroonish plum color. Plum magenta mixed color. In case anybody wants to see Mekhla Sador, do let me know. Number 4. Number 4. Mummy, measuring tape please. Number 4 is this beautiful Mekhla. This is a part of our Sumana collection with roses woven all over. This is the Mekhla, bunch of roses, and even in the pallu there are these roses, tiny ones woven. I'll tell you they should be 36 to 38. That's the standard Mekhla ka width. You are hi. Anyway, see, just come and say hi to people.
Hi,
Till I
hi.
measure the Mekhla, you can say come and hi to people. She's trying to escape.
No, actually I'm in my house coat, so I didn't want to come. Anyway, namaskaram to everybody. How are you all doing? And
I'm measuring the Mekhla. Continue.
actually I've not been keeping so well, and this heat is really killing, you know. So I told my daughter, you carry on, I cannot do the live, I cannot stand for a long time too.
But otherwise, she does everything else.
So how are you all doing out there? And Vandana, Amrita, and the others,
Amrita,
Lakshmi, Amruta, then
Meghna ka.
Lakshmi, Meghna, and all of you. How was
Vandana ji.
Gokulashtami yesterday?
Vandana,
Uh,
Renu ma'am,
Renu ji, how are you
Rajni
doing?
akka.
Rajni ji, how are you doing? Namaste. Then others, long time I didn't come. And my daughter is doing the work, so I'm just there behind the screen, you know.
Behind
this is
the
more
screen,
important.
just to
Amrita, so nice. Vandana, how are you? And Barnali, Shweta too, how are you doing?
Chidai Murku.
Okay, Chidai Murukan all you made. I'm missing all of them. I used to make, but now I'm not able to. You know, it takes a lot of effort because my daughter likes Geeta. Namaste, Amma. Namaste. Kritika.
You laid
Namaste.
strong. Shubha Janmashtami, Rajni akka says you laid strong foundation.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Rajni. Meghna, how are you doing? Yes, somebody has to be behind this girl, you know. So it's well as be me and nobody else.
Okay.
She's making some faces out from behind, you know, when I'm saying all this. Anyway, you carry on.
Because you said somebody has to be behind this girl. You
Yeah.
stand in front of me and saying behind this girl. I do my duties pura with all sincerity. Mummy, don't say that.
No, you're sincere, I know that.
Okay, so this is in 36 width. This is the Mekhla. 36 width wala Mekhla. Mummy, iska length bata de, please. And this blouse piece is getting made. So it will take about 3 days, 3 to 4 days to make the blouse piece. 3 to 4 more days. This is the bunch of 3 roses with the silver zari. This is in baby pink and this is in hot pink.
After stitch, it's 44 inches.
44 is the length You must be a kind and strict mother. She is, by profession, actual profession, she is an English teacher. So obviously, Mar is there, but yeah, she's a friend. हाँ कोई तो चाहिए. You know donkey, remember? मेघना का. It's so embarrassing. मतलब किसी दिन मैं I will not take sarees. Today तो I am busy with the sarees. Someday I will tell you all stories. She was class 12th standard में. She was my class teacher. And imagine, somehow I said something to her. She is telling the principal, go and call my parents. Who is my parent? Now daddy had to go. And daddy like, it's so embarrassing to go. And daddy has no connection with my what standard I am studying in and all of those things. So that was very embarrassing for him. He did not think कि मेरे को बुलाया है स्कूल में. Okay, so yeah, this is the sador. They are flat at the blouse piece is getting made. The blouse piece will be one line of this border. That's all. Second royal blue, part by कैसा part sador. Daddy is like क्यों बुलाया है? Daddy is more nervous than me. Okay, so this is a very, very exclusive beauty. This is in Tassar silk. And this is thread in surf blue. Couple of swans. Very, very pretty. This is in antique zari bolte hain. There is a mix of copper and silver zari. You can see. I am showing a close up. This is the pallu. Both sides. This is a kesa part. This is my hand, if you can see. Okay. This is translucent in nature. Part by kesa part. The warp is opaque mulberry silk. The weft is transparent raw mulberry silk. The fiber form of mulberry silk. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece में भी तसर silk, antique zari and thread work का काम है. Wow, मेरे अंगूठी के साथ अच्छे से जा रहा है. This is the blouse piece. And there goes your mekhela. Mekhela will be length about 44-45 inches and breadth width will be about 36 inches. And after being stitched, they are all ready to wear. Kal ke kal I can dispatch them in case you book. The plum one ka blouse I have to send later. Tomorrow I can send the mekhela sador. This is the mekhela. Very, very beautiful mekhela again. Swati ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, so this is the mekhela. Very beautiful. Love, compassion, friendship, loyalty is symbolized by this couple of swans. Okay, next royal blue is this. ये अलग royal blue है, ये अलग है. Can you see? That's the beauty of handloom. This is brighter, a little brighter than the other one. This is the mekhela. This is the pallu. Hot pink and neon green के साथ this flower एक कली दो पत्तियां वाला concept है. इसमें भी मम्मी blouse piece दे दो ना, please. Thank you. This is the blouse piece. This is your blouse piece. This is a lovely sador. This is how it looks. Okay, this is the border. This is the sador. 11,700 free shipping all over Bharat. Next is a beautiful, very, very classy, very, very sophisticated color. सिर्फ सिल्वर जरी है इसमें और कुछ भी नहीं है. You like it? Will you gift it to me? Please. Why will I gift you something that you have made? This is the mekhela. It's a beautiful biscuit color, very very beautiful with silver zari work, tora buta and the dot weaving. This is the flower motif. This is your mekhela, 36 width का mekhela है ये. ब्लाउज भी पार्ट बाय पार्ट में है. ब्लाउज इज दिस. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल कलर. एंड पार्ट बाय कैसा पार्ट में सदौर है ये कलर का. दिस इज द सदौर. अभी रेड में पहना है लेकिन इट्स अ वेरी 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 नाइस कलर. ओके 11,700 फ्लैट में दे रहे हैं. इवन फॉर द रोज मेखला सदौर दैट इज प्राइस्ड एट 13,000 बट वी आर गिविंग इट एट 11,700 टुडे. सो इन केस यू नीड द नंबर टू कॉन्टैक्ट अस इज 7599599055. ओके, next we'll move on to one Kaziranga toss by part in case anybody wants to see. Otherwise I will start with the Tasar ones. This one is toss by part, Tasar by Mulberry silk, Kaziranga weave. In case you want to see, and the weaving is in red, predominant color is red. With yellow and green meenakari. So tell me if you want to see this, I will show. Kaziranga toss by part. Or else I'll move to the normal toss by toss sarees. Tasar by tasar साड़ी दिखाऊं? Yes, no, maybe, not at all, probably, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. या पार्ट बाय पार्ट साड़ीज दिखाओ. 10,200 रेंज. नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3 is this coffee brown. Number 3, number 4, black with red. Waiting for the muga? Okay, I will show. Number 5, peacock blue with white.
You can before when you do the.
I'll show Tasar. No, Kaziranga. Okay. So this is a very very nice, very very beautiful one horn rhinos. एक एक rhino extra wave टेक्निक से वीव किया जाता है. देख लीजिए. Sorry. This is your Shweta ma'am. Namaskar. Thank you for joining. Peacocks. The traditional jappi. I have a jappi at home which is made of brass. This is the jappi I have. This is what the jappi, traditional jappi looks like. Now I can put it back. Maybe I can. Alright. So this is what the jappi looks like. Annapurna ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. The peacocks, the deer. तो ये पल्लू ऐसा है. बॉर्डर में भी जापी बने हुए हैं. देख लीजिए. This is the traditional farmer's hat, originally made with bamboo, and now it is a very very, not now, it's always been, it's a very traditional, very culturally important, significant symbol for us. हम लोग जो भी हम लोग के पब्लिक फंक्शंस में हो या किसी को भी आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट पहला चीज हम देते हैं गामूसा अराउंड द नेक, द स्कार्फ, द Assamese scarf that we use. I had a gamusa with me. That's of course my personal gamusa. This is how a gamusa looks. And gamusa पहना के जापी पहनाते हैं as a sign of respect, public felicitation. And this is how the sari will look. The entire sari has these one-horn rhinos woven and japis and peacocks and deer and rhinos in the pallu, and this is how it looks. This is for 11,700 rupees. 11,700 rupees for pico tassels, borders, सब कुछ मैं करके दूंगी. आपको सिर्फ अपना ब्लाउज पीस बनवा के पहनना है. रेड के साथ पहनेंगे तो और भी अच्छा लगेगा. अभी I have a couple of sarees, but I'm thinking I'll do this live after a few days, probably on Friday next, because by then I'll get the new more collection as well. Otherwise, if you want to see, if you want to see a white and gold Onam wali sari, so you can tell me. White with golden zari. And this is a faint pink with copper zari. Very delicate pink with copper zari. Or else I will move to the showstoppers of today. I will show the Muga sarees to you. So you choose. What I will show. What do you want to know? Tasar, I will show. Tasar number 1 with white. Tasar number 2 maroon. Tasar number 3 purple. Copper zari I will show. And this is your exclusive tasar with golden zari. This is exclusive tasar by Tasar with golden zari and red and green thread. So 4, 3, 2 and 1. So do let me know which one you want me to show. Copper zari मैं दिखाती हूँ. Till you choose the colors, let me show this to Renudi and to all of you. Alright, here we go. Number 4. Okay, number 4 I will show.
1, 2 and 4.
1, 2, 4. तो 1, 2, 3, 4 चारों दिखा दूंगी. पहले 4 से start करेंगे फिर दिखाऊंगी. This is a very nice, very delicate pink. No, very pretty. This is a very nice pink with copper zari. This is the border. This is a very nice chunk sort of a paisley motif. And this is your Geeta ma'am, namaskaram. Thank you so much for joining. This is your very, very nice, beautiful pallu. There goes your blouse piece. And this is your beautiful sari. Path silk sari, Mulberry by Mulberry silk sari with copper zari, extremely gorgeous for 13,700 rupees. 13700. Now coming to the tasar number 1. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tasar with white thread work. This is the border. पूरे body में tiny flower motifs like this. Pallu has got the Bisoni motifs. And we'll let you know. मतलब okay, copper zari वाला के लिए okay. And this is your pallu. Blouse piece is plain with one line of the border. This is a very classy Tasar by Tasar silk sari with stitched borders. We'll do the fall, the picot, the tassels. The borders have already been done. So this will go out on Tuesday or Wednesday max. And just give me one moment. डेट में फोन करके लाइव में, हाँ इंस्टाग्राम में, ठीक है बात This is a very beautiful sari and Swapna ma'am has it. Yes, Swapna ma'am has it, and on Pooja by Jayashree page I think there is a video also, if I'm not wrong. 4 number ta please. ठीक है देखाओ. This is the sari and this is for 11,700. Extremely beautiful sari. Very classy. इसके साथ आप black पहनिए, maroon पहनिए, कोई भी ब्लाउज पहनिए, सब कुछ जाएगा. Red also will look good. This is number 2. 2 है. ये रहा number 2. A very basic but very classy, very simple but very elegant sari. These are the flower motifs. This is the flower motif in the body. This is your border. These are 2 lines of chote medium size gauze buta, 3 butas. This is बड़े साइज के गॉज बूटास, all in maroon thread. And gamkharu pattern के साथ this is your weaving. Okay, this is your pallu, blouse piece. And this is also priced at 11,700. 11,700 ऐसे प्राइस में मिलता ही नहीं है इस क्वालिटी का. क्वालिटी इज ऑल्सो क्वेश्चनेबल इन साड़ीज, राइट. और हम तो क्वालिटी के लिए ही. Yes, very typical but very beautiful. I love this also actually. It's a very nice dash of color in the golden tasar base. This is a very beautiful sari with purple weaving, purple thread weaving. Traditional मीरी डिजाइन बोलते हैं इसको, गॉज बूटा को. ऑल ओवर जब गॉज बूटा होता है. दिस इज तो टिपिकल विंटेज स्टाइल पल्लू है. मुगा मेखला में पहले ये बहुत एक्सटेंसिवली बनता था, बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्सटेंसिवली बनता था. सो दिस इज योर वर्तिका मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. दिस इज योर पल्लू. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. एक से बढ़कर एक ब्यूटीफुल तस्वीर. थैंक यू. तो एवरी हम लोग लाइव नहीं करके, अच्छा क्या ही करेगा लाइव करके, वैसा टाइप नहीं होता. हम लोग बस ये सोचते हैं कि कुछ बना लूं उसके बाद आऊंगी लाइव. टुडे बिफोर द लाइव आई हैड अ मेजर शोडाउन विद मम्मी आल्सो बिकॉज शी थॉट कि वी विल रिसीव मोर साड़ीज बट आई डिड नॉट गेट देम. सो इसी के लिए काफी गर्मा गर्मी हो गई थी. Okay, the most demanded one from you. This is a typical toss by toss, extremely gorgeous sari with golden zari. On toss वाला golden ना, ये golden zari और भी खिल के आता है अगर आप thread के साथ pair up कर दो तो. वरना इतना खिल के I don't think it will get enhanced. But थ्रेड के साथ कर दो तो बहुत सुंदर दिखता है. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. Okay, so this is the golden zari ka pallu. Look at the pallu. रेड एंड ग्रीन ऑल्टरनेटिवली मीनाकरी में यूज किया गया है. गोल्डन जरी का पल्लू है ये. द बॉर्डर ऑल्सो इज अ कैस बासा पैटर्न जैसा है. गोल्डन जरी रेड एंड ग्रीन में. बॉडी में पूरा का पूरा छोटे छोटे ऐसे बूटास हैं, गॉस बूटास हैं. लुक एट दिस साइड. दिस साइड इज अल्टीमेटली ब्यूटीफुल. मतलब गॉर्जियस. दिस इज योर सन. बड़ा ही मस्त, बड़ा ही गॉर्जियस साड़ी है. ब्लाउज पीस दिखा दूंगी आपको. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. ग्रीन एंड रेड का काम है. दीज आर वेरी ट्रेडिशनल मोटिव्स यूज्ड ऑन अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल गोल्डन तसर and with zari it is looking brilliant. मैं बोल रही हूँ. Very very beautiful. This is priced at 16,800 rupees. 16,800. मुगा. अच्छा, जोर से बुलाऊंगी तो मुगा दौड़ते भागते चली आएगी, उधर से भौंकने लग जाएगी. So I love Muga so much because she is golden hued in color. I have named her Muga. She was named मिशी फर्स्ट, लेकिन मिशी को चेंज करके मैंने मुगा कर दिया. तो या हर नेम इज मुगा. शी इज अ गोल्डन रिट्रीवर. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट मुगा शो स्टॉपर ऑफ द डे. नंबर 1. This we got an order also, so we're making that one, but this is ready to dispatch. Number 1. And this is the second muga. This is very very beautiful. This is a super है ना, सुपर डुपर ऊपर एक्सक्लूसिव. प्राइस भी इसका ज्यादा है. क्यों ज्यादा है वो भी मैं जस्टिफाई कर दूंगी, लेकिन ये नंबर 2 है और ये नंबर 1 है. इसका प्राइस कम है, इसका प्राइस ज्यादा है. So do let me know which one you want to see. I will be more than glad to oblige. दिखाओ दो. Number 2. So this is the showstopper. Clearly, I have made one Ma Saraswati sari. I will show it to you if you want to see someday. I have not made it again because that is a super exclusive that I make only on order. Both I will show you. Yeah. So okay, let me start with the कम range वाला मुगा. This is a colorful muga. That's a different. उसमें भी colors हैं, लेकिन that's a different taste altogether. This is a more traditionally made muga. इसके borders रहे ये red, green and golden जरी में. This beautiful sari is there. गोल्डन जरी, ग्रीन, रेड में मीनाकरी के साथ पूरा मोटिव्स है. दिस हैज बीन ऑर्डर्ड बाय समबडी. सो सेकेंड पीस ऑल्सो विल बी रेडी टू डिस्पैच. दिस इज द मोटिव, गॉस बूटा विद द लोकोपारो. लुक एट द मुगा में वीविंग करना कितना मुश्किल है, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी थिक, वेरी नाइस एंड फैब्रिक, और उसमें इतना डिस्टिंक्ट मोटिव्स करना ही अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा स्किल है. दिस इज योर सी, दिस इज very very beautiful pallu. बड़े जंबो गॉस बूटास with the lokoparo in the pallu. Very beautifully done. Extremely gorgeous saree. This is how it looks. Without the border you can आराम से wear it. But border भी हम लोग आपको लगा कर देंगे. मुगा तो obviously सब होकर ही जाएगा, This is your blouse piece, plain with this 1 and 2 lines of these borders. This is your blouse piece. A very, very typical Assamese Muga silk sari, and the price range is from 50. Okay. Just give me one moment before I tell the price. Okay, this is priced between 55,000 and 60,000. इन दोनों के बीच में प्राइस रेंज है. तो in case you want to know the exact price, quickly give me a nice screenshot of me to 75959597055. So that's 7595959 3 times 055. The number is pinned on your screen. So this is the muga that we're talking about. It's an extremely beautiful muga. This is how it looks. It's got stitched borders. I will stitch the borders for you. In case you want to buy this sari in EMI, they will be available for 5 EMIs, not more. 5 EMIs, and you will have to pay the booking EMI first. Okay? So this is your sari. मैंने साड़ी दिखा दिया, ब्लाउज पीस दिखा दिया. 55,000 and 60,000 के बीच में ये साड़ी है. Another one is getting made. So this is available. ये ऑर्डर का है लेकिन अवेलेबल है. Okay. Time for this to unveil. This is your blouse piece with the khingkhap buta. Khingho है इसमें. Lions, couple of lions. This is the khingkhap buta. Now showing the sari to you. It's with the woven border. एंड पूरा जो आप व्हाइट थ्रेड देख रहे हैं, पूरा का पूरा अहिंसा सिल्क यानी कि एरी सिल्क यान में किया गया है. कल जो मैंने एरी सिल्क साड़ीज दिखाया, जिस यान से वो बनता है, ये भी उसी यान से बना हुआ है. दिस इज द वोवन बॉर्डर. लुक एट द कारीगरी इन द बॉर्डर. दिस इज अ वोवन बॉर्डर. दिस इज नॉट अ स्टिच्ड बॉर्डर. यू कैन सी वोवन बॉर्डर की साड़ीज बहुत मुश्किल होता है बनाने के लिए. यू नीड स्पेसिफिक स्किल्स. Okay, so this is the pallu. बॉर्डर्स इसमें आते नहीं हैं, ये वोवन बॉर्डर वाला है. दिस इज द गॉस बूटा विद द लोकोपारो. एंड दिस इज द लायन. दिस इज द khingkhap buta with the peacock, couple of peacocks and the lions. पेजली बूटाज है इसमें, फ्लावर बूटाज है इसमें. देख लीजिए. दिस इज हाउ द ब्यूटिफुल पल्लू लुक्स. ईच व्हाइट कलर का थ्रेड जो आप देख रहे हैं, इट इज नॉट थ्रेड, इट इज प्योर अहिंसा सिल्क का यार्न. उसमें कितनी सुंदरता से रेड एंड ऑरेंज का काम किया गया है, देख लीजिए. दिस इज हाउ beautiful and how gorgeous this saree is. This is the saree. एंड ब्लाउज पीस बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी this is your blouse piece. Okay, so this beautiful, very gorgeous Muga sari is priced between 75,000 and 82,000. It is priced between 75,000 and 82,000. To know the exact price, send us a screenshot, a beautiful screenshot of mine to 7595959055. Opurvo, thank you, Vandana ma'am, thank you so much. This is really very sundar, very beautiful. It's got a woven border. इसमें पूरा का पूरा एरी का काम है, woven border है, एरी, मुगा खींचा, ये सब ऐसे थ्रेड्स हैं जो एंटेंगल हो जाते हैं बहुत जल्दी अपने आप में, एंड इनको हटाना पड़ता है. एंड दिस इज प्रगति मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, हाउ लवली. Thank you for joining. So good to see you. So this is a very gorgeous muga जिसका प्राइस है, मम्मी गया प्राइस मैं बहुत मोनिका ने किसे, she'll call you. She's sitting here, your culprit is sitting here and she will call you after the live, Konika. Okay, so yes, this is a gorgeous exclusive, super duper exclusive muga. ये बनाना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, जहां तक आपको साड़ी दिखेगी इतने डेंस मोटिव्स हैं. दिस इज हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू लुक व्हेन यू ड्रेप इट, जस्ट सी. ओके, एंड ओ मम्मी चली ही गई, बात करें, वापस आ, इधर वापस आ, इधर वापस बैठो, थोड़ी देर बैठो, फिर आफ्टर द लाइव इज ओवर यू कॉल. Don't get tensed. Wait. Okay. So this is the sari and it's priced between 75 and 82,000. So if you want to know, this can be paid in up to बहुत. This कैमरा में इस साड़ी का मैं जब करके दिखा रही हूँ तब पता नहीं चलेगा आपको. नाज़ानो बोले उठी ओ माटी वापिस वो. इस साड़ी का आपको मैं जब दिखा रही हूँ ना कैमरा में, उतना जस्टिस नहीं करता है, मगर बहुत ही ज्यादा सुंदर साड़ी है ये. अलग तो चला मैं उपाय नहीं. सो हम लोगों ने 2 पीस बनवाया था, मेरी बहन ने एक बनवाया था, मैंने एक बनवाया था, तो दोनों पीसेस ही हैं हमारे पास. दीज आर एक्सक्लूसिव. दिस कैन बी द बेस्ट एडिशन, वेरी क्लासी मुगा. कलर्स अपनी तरफ है, जरी अपनी तरफ है, लेकिन ये बहुत ही ज्यादा क्लासी मुगा है, आई प्रॉमिस यू. एंड इन केस यू वांट दिस, यू कैन टेक इट अप टू 7 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स. 7 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स तक मैं आपको दूंगी ये साड़ी. तो आप क्विकली स्क्रीनशॉट भेजिए या बता दीजिए लास्ट मुगा विथ एरी वर्क, मैं समझ जाऊंगी. जस्ट मैसेज में 7 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स देना. अगर आप जल्दी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स दोगे तो जल्दी साड़ी आपको मिल जाएगी. इफ यू वांट द साड़ी फास्टर, देन यू हैव टू पे द EMIs faster. Once the payment is complete, then I will send the sari to. I will मतलब मम्मी will only pack, so she will send the sari to you. She'll dispatch the sari to you. So that's how the EMI system works. So yes, here we come to the end of today's live, and I will have to take your leave because tomorrow is a Monday. You all have jobs to go to, or have people at home who have jobs to go to and schools to go to. छोटे people, बड़े people, सब कुछ. So रूटीन है आपका फॉलो करने के लिए, मैं समझती हूँ. एंड हम आपको जो भी पसंद आता है हम आपसे बात करेंगे. मैं तो नॉक्टर्नल ह्यूमन बीइंग हूँ, तो मैं तो रात जागती हूँ. तो यस, इन केस आई डू नॉट रिप्लाई, सुबह को मेरा थोड़ा सा टाइट शेड्यूल रहता है बिकॉज सुबह को आई हैव द फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, आई हैव द योगा मास्टर, a lot of things, and most of the times they just call me to shout at me when I wake up late. I don't attend their calls. So yes, I am going through I don't know. I am going through a little bit of a health regime, yes, but I will try to reply ASAP to all your messages, attend all your calls. अगर नहीं कर पाऊं तो कृपया माफ कर दीजिएगा. प्लीज फॉरगिव मी. आई विल डेफिनेटली गेट बैक, एंड इफ आई डोंट देन टू शाउट एट मी, टू स्कोल्ड मी, यू कैन मैसेज मी. आई प्रॉमिस आई विल नॉट रिएक्ट. या आई हैव टाइट शेड्यूल्स. यू नो माई शेड्यूल. डोंट मेक फन ऑफ मी लाइक दिस. मैं उठ नहीं पाती हूँ तो योगा मास्टर मेरे को बहुत डांटता है, और मैं उसके बाद डांटने के बाद जब मैं इट्स लाइक द क्लासिक केस ऑफ, जब मैं घर आके पहले बोलती थी मम्मी आज इसने डांटा, तो मम्मी से मार खाती थी, इसलिए मैं बोलती ही नहीं थी. ओके, सो यस, योगा मास्टर से बहुत डांट खाती हूँ, और 2-3 बार ट्राई करा मम्मी और कोनिका बहन को बोलने के लिए, लेकिन वो लोग इतना ज्यादा डांट देते हैं, योगा मास्टर से भी ज्यादा, तो मतलब क्या बोलूं, क्यों ही बोलूं इन लोगों को, और डांट क्यों खाऊं मैं, योगा मास्टर से तो खा लिया, तो आई डोंट इवन टेल देम नाउ. सो दैट्स हाउ द रूटीन वर्क्स. Thank you so much for watching us live. We've been doing live since about almost 2 hours, not 2 hours, but yeah, about 1.5 hours. These days alarm is there. Yeah. Okay. थैंक यू सो मच. आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार, आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, अनेक धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. रोम्बा नंरी, थैंक यू. सब लोग खुश रहिए, खुशियां फैलाइए. खुशियां जरूर मल्टीपल फोल्ड्स में वापस आएंगी आपके पास, ये मेरा गारंटी है आपको. एंड यू हैव अ ग्रेट वीक अहेड. स्टे वेल and Kinai Sadhya. Oh, thank you. My sister says I have become a little thin. So I am very happy. Yeah? Really? Okay. Thank you, both of you. Okay. So yes, thank you for being there with us always, placing your hand on my head, blessing me, encouraging me, supporting me. Your unwavering support means the world to me and to us, all of us here. Thank you once again. Shubhratri. Good night. See you very soon. Most likely it will be Friday, coming Friday. उससे पहले नहीं हो पाएगा, ढेर सारा काम है. दुर्गा पूजा आ रहा है, lot of festivals around. So yes, we will come soon with our new collection, Path Silk, Toss Silk, सब कुछ लेकर आएंगे. Oh. Thank you. Goodbye. Good night. Shubhratri. नमस्कार. स्वस्थ रहिए, खुश रहिए. Goodbye.